How's it going today, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are back on the 450. Just gonna go for a little cruise around. I just took my crotch rocket for a ride, so I gotta get used to the brakes on this thing. Butter. Kid was ripping. Almost smoked that bird. Gandhi. Oh, this thing rips so good. I don't even know where we're at for power mode here, actually. I am not sure. Check what we're at here. Oh, that was power mode 1 or 3. Oops. Try to not be in 3. Now this thing has launch control. I'm not going to do it just because it's still letting everything kind of break in properly. As much as I would love to just show you guys the launch control, but if you look, it's blinking blue, or it was blinking blue, and then this blinks green for the torque control. And then if you hold the clutch in, have it in first gear, hold your starter button again, see how it goes purple? Now you're in launch control. Now it'll sit there and go brrrr and hold that perfect RPM. Ooh, that's a really nice Bronco. I like that color, which is really cool, but I don't need launch control. I'll probably show you guys on the next video because I'll be able to do like, I'm gonna do a full maintenance on this thing, so. I love the new tire on this thing. Little stand-up wheelie. For the stock exhaust, this thing sounds so good, honestly. Whew. Not used to the touchy front brakes again. Oh yeah. Keep a fresh tire on this thing all the time is what I'm gonna do. A little bit of gravel ripping, something different. I'm obviously not huge on going way back to balance point on gravel, but nice little bank turn here. Gotta love the torque of a 450. Out of a corner, just bop, 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 right to 12 o'clock, no problem. Woo, a little wide on the turn. I was hitting this the other day. I haven't hit this in a while. Oh, just wash this thing. I'm gonna have to give it a wash when I get back. You can tell it's pretty blown out from me Hitting her with the 450. I'm sure I can get her. I could damn near clear that on the other side. Just gonna roll it once. Just gotta stick the groove, that's all. Just like when the track's getting all rutted out. My biggest tip for hitting a jump like that where it's completely blown out and you got a giant rut to it is try to look past the jump as much as you can. Like if you can keep looking past as much as possible, then most likely you'll go to where you're looking, and where you're looking is past the jump, right? So looking past, and over. Beauty. This thing, this GoPro would probably just ruins it. Maybe I'll set my phone up. Yeah. Ooh, there's a pipe there. That's not cool. Where do we set it up though? What's that? What am I leaking already? Uh-oh. I got oil, yes, obviously. That looks like fuel. Why am I leaking fuel already? It's not cool. Oh no. It's coolant is what it is, it looks to be. Maybe I just shut it off too hot. I hope. Weird, it looks like coolant, but we'll keep an eye on that. Thinking right here maybe. Grab a rock to set my phone up on. There we go. Okay, hopefully that's good. And hopefully my bike has cooled down a little bit. That's weird. Very, very weird. I did put this off of my old bike, which it does fit. It's the same thing. We'll just keep an eye on that, I guess. Okay, we'll hit this jump real quick for the phone, and then we will go for a good cruise and get this thing to cool off a bit, I guess. I don't know why I have coolant coming out of the overflow so much. It's not cool. That was pretty nice. Hopefully it looks good on the phone. Woo, I almost lost my chain. That wouldn't have been cool. Not like my dirt bike chain, like my necklace chain. Weird. I'm just gonna put that in my pocket. Damn weird things happening. Oh man, it's just pissing coolant. Holy shit. Go for a cruise and cool this thing off. If not, we might have to go back. Oh, my phone fell. I just have the shittiest luck sometimes. Okay, I know exactly what happened. I put my other radiator cap on from my 03, and apparently the pressures are a little bit different on the radiators, so I have to put my stock radiator cap back on. I'm gonna have to buy one specifically for this. I got told that I could swap it over and it would be the same thing, but apparently not. So now we're gonna have to let this thing cool down so it doesn't blow out everywhere. Alrighty, it's probably dark as hell in here because I have an ND filter on, but hope you guys enjoyed that one. I got to do a little bit of work and maintenance on the new 450, go through it, check all the spokes, all that fun stuff, which I already have done once, but I want to check it again, check the chain, drop the oil, do a nice full oil change. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that one. Don't forget to drop a sub and a like, and see you later.